It's a huge PR unboxing, all the free stuff that YouTube beauty gurus get. Hi Chickadee, how you doing today? Thanks so much for joining us. We're Two Real Chicks. I'm Carla.
I'm Cindy.
And we are bringing you a huge, colossal, mammoth, unbelievable PR unboxing. All of the free stuff that beauty gurus get. Shall we start?
Let's start.
Yay! All right. This comes to us from Too Faced.
Wait a minute. It's empty.
Are you sure?
Yeah, pretty sure.
Hello? Hello?
Thank you, Too Faced.
Hello? Okay,
Yeah.
next. Urban Decay. It's Urban Decay. Urban Decay. Yes, okay.
Crap.
Surely this one from ColourPop. There's got to be something in here from ColourPop. ColourPop. Oh, ColourPop. Try another one. Okay, Tarte. Oh, I bet it's Shape Tape. It's Shape Tape. Let's look. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Shape Tape. All right, give me that one. It's small. There's bound to be something in there. I mean, it's just a little.
Obviously, we are not worthy of getting product that the big beauty gurus get.
We're a very small channel, and you know what? We're okay with that because we're Two Real Chicks and we just keep it real.
That's what they're afraid of.
They know the Two Real Chicks will keep it real, and we promise to always bring you real reviews and real life and our real opinions. But there is some good news. There actually are two companies that are real companies that did indeed trust us to give you the Two Real Chicks real honest opinion. Let's check it out. Biarritz. Thank you, Biarritz. I hope I pronounced that correctly. I'm sure that I butchered this beautiful French name. It is Biarritz or Biarritz Phyto Stem Cell Moisturizing Cream. We are going to be testing this out for you and we'll bring you a review very soon. It looks very nice and we're thankful for this. And again, Biarritz, I apologize to all who speak French for butchering that, to the French language, to the people of France, and to the nation of France as a whole. And
we're sorry.
Also French Canadians as well.
Yeah, we're sorry. We Southern.
We also received some goodies from Brookes, which is a really cool skincare company that we're excited to try. Made in the USA. This came out of necessity. You know how they say invention comes out of necessity? A wonderful woman created this to address her own skin issues. So it's activated charcoal. This is skin dirt. I have peppermint.
I have lavender.
And we also have some charcoal chomper cleaner. Yes.
I can't wait to try that.
Get those chompers clean. So thank you to Brookes.
Thank you.
Thank you to Biarritz. And thank you to you for watching, for trusting us, for knowing that we're always going to keep it real, and for being okay with us always keeping it real. So be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up, because you know you want to, because you know you thought it was funny, and leave us a comment down below.
As you're strolling on down to make that comment, you will see a subscribe button. If that button is red, you need to push that button. We appreciate every subscriber that we do get. And next to that subscribe button, you will find a bell. You definitely want to hit that bell so that you can find out what we have to say about these products.
Yes, because we will be reviewing these very, very soon. Thanks so much for joining us here today on Two Real Chicks. It always makes our day that much more special when you keep us company. I'm Carla.
I'm Cindy.
And until next time, we've got to go clean up some trash. We created a little bit of a mess, but we love you. Bye. Are you sure there's nothing in there at all? Nothing?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.